नमस्ते, edX हिंदी में आपका स्वागत है. Today we will learn the vowel symbols along with their transliteration, and we will also see their position when used with the consonants. So let's get started. Our first vowel or swar is a. And to represent this, we use the alphabet A, and the sound is a. There is no vowel symbol for this, and the reason being that it is inherent in all the consonants in Hindi. This is very much a part of all the consonants in Hindi. So we don't have a vowel symbol for a. Let's look at the second swar. The sound is a. We represent it with two A's. A. The matra for this swar is a standing line which is attached to a roof like this, and this always follows a consonant. So let's look at an example. This is a consonant ka, and when we attach the matra, this will look something like this, ka, and the sound is ka. So ka plus a makes ka. Let's look at the third vowel, which is E. E. This is a short E sound which we represent with the alphabet I. The matra for this vowel is make a standing line and a roof on the top going from left to right. This is a short E sound, and when it blends with the consonant, this is how it will look like. K and E, which makes ki, ki. So this always precedes the consonant. So this makes ki. Now let's look at the fourth vowel, which is the long E sound. We can represent this with double E's or two I's because it's a long sound, and the symbol for this is a standing line with a roof on top going from right to the left side, and this always follows the consonant. So let's look at the example. This is our consonant K, and this is how the long E vowel symbol looks like, and this makes it ki, the long E sound, ki. The fourth vowel is U. U. This is represented with a U, and the matra for this looks something like this. This is the line on the top with which a consonant is attached, and this matra we have to put at the bottom attaching to the consonant. So this is a kind of a subscript. So let's look at the example. This is the alphabet K, and this is how we will put the matra short U. So this makes it U, U, the short U sound, U. Next vowel is the long U sound. You can represent this with double U's or two O's. So U, and the matra for this is the line on top. Here comes the alphabet, and the matra goes on the right hand side. This is the vowel symbol for this. And let's look at the example. We will write down the consonant K and attach the long U vowel symbol and makes it Ku, Ku. The next swar is Re, Re, and this is represented by R-I, Re, and the matra for this is the top line, the roof line, and over here comes the consonant, and this is the matra for Re, which looks like a small C. So let's look at the blending with the consonant. This is our consonant K attached to the roof, and this is how you will put the matra like this, and it makes the sound Kree. also a subscript. Next vowel is A, and this is represented with the alphabet E, and the sound is A, and the matra for this is the top line and a balloon on the top which is going towards the left hand side. So this is A. So this is a kind of a superscript, and we will see when it blends how does it look like. This is the alphabet K, and you put the matra A on top. So this makes it K. Let's look at the next vowel, which is A. To represent this, we use AI. And the matra or the vowel symbol is two balloons on the top going towards the left hand side, joining at one single point. This is also a superscript. When we blend it, this is how it will look like. This is the consonant K, and this is Ka. So the sound will be Ka. The next one is O, as in the alphabet O. So we are using the alphabet O to represent that. The vowel symbol will be a standing line and one balloon on the top going towards the left hand side but joining with the standing line. And when we just blend it with the consonant, this is how it's going to look like. This is the alphabet K, and to add O ki matra, this is how we are going to put it, and the sound will become Ko. So we have attached the vowel symbol to the alphabet K to make it Ko. The next one is O. To represent this, I'm using A-U-O, and the sound is something like as in awesome. And the matra for this vowel is a standing line with two balloons on the top, all touching at one point. So it makes it Ka. And when it is blended with a consonant, this is how it looks like. Ka and the O ki matra, which is Ka. So the sound becomes Ka. The next word is and this is how we represent this A-N with a dot on top. So to represent the nasal sound, and the matra for this is the dot on the top. And when we blend it with the consonant K, this is how this will look like. Kang. So this is the sound that comes out when it is blended together. The last one is aha. To represent this, we are using A-H. Aha. And the vowel symbol for this vowel is two dots in the end, which is also called visarg in Sanskrit. Visarg are the two dots which make a kind of a hollow sound when added to a word, and this is how we will write the consonant with two dots on the side, and we make the sound kaha. So that's it for today. So these are all your swars or vowels in Hindi, and these are all the vowel symbols for every swar, and we have just finished the blending with the consonants to show you the impact they have while writing in Hindi. And that's it for today. Keep practicing, keep writing. Dhanyavad, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to edX Hindi channel on YouTube. फिर मिलेंगे.